Welcome to Decor Pro 2.
Welcome to Decor Pro 2. Exploring luxurious and spacious American kitchen styles. Hello, dear viewer. Today, we are diving into the world of luxurious and spacious American kitchen styles. As one of the most essential areas in any home, the kitchen not only serves as a place for culinary creations but also as the heart of social gatherings and family moments. The American kitchen design is renowned for its functionality, warmth, and elegance. So, let's explore some of the most captivating styles that can transform your cooking space into a luxurious haven. 1. The classic farmhouse kitchen. The farmhouse kitchen style beautifully melds rustic charm with modern elegance. Emphasizing a warm and inviting atmosphere, the style often features large wooden islands, shiplap walls, and vintage accents. Imagine cooking in a spacious kitchen with a large apron front sink, surrounded by open shelving showcasing handmade pottery and vintage cookbooks. The combination of distressed wood, white cabinetry, and whimsical decor creates a cozy and friendly environment perfect for family gatherings. 2. The sleek modern kitchen. For those who embrace minimalism, the sleek modern kitchen is a fantastic choice. Characterized by clean lines and a monochromatic color palette, the style exudes sophistication and simplicity. High-gloss cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops provide an upscale look and feel. An open concept design allows for a seamless flow between the kitchen and living areas, making it ideal for entertaining guests. Add a few pops of color through artwork or flowers to bring warmth to the space. 3. The elegant transitional kitchen. The transitional kitchen style strikes a perfect balance between classic and contemporary designs. This style features smooth surfaces, neutral colors, and a mix of traditional and modern elements. Think about a spacious island with intricate detailing paired with sleek bar stools. Elegant pendant lighting hangs above the island, casting a warm glow that emphasizes the kitchen's sophistication. The transitional kitchen offers versatility, making it suitable for various tastes while maintaining a luxurious aesthetic. 4. The luxurious Mediterranean kitchen. If you are dreaming of a kitchen reminiscent of sun-soaked vineyards and rustic Italian villas, the Mediterranean style might be perfect for you. This style is characterized by earthy tones, terracotta tiles, and beautiful wooden beams. Arched doorways and handcrafted tiles can add a unique charm to the space. An expansive island with intricate wrought iron fixtures enhances the luxurious feel, creating an inviting space for culinary adventures and shared meals. 5. The chic Scandinavian kitchen. For those who appreciate simplicity and functionality, the Scandinavian kitchen style offers a breath of fresh air. This design emphasizes light colors, natural materials, and open spaces, resulting in a bright and airy kitchen. Minimalistic cabinetry and clever storage solutions contribute to a clutter-free environment. Incorporating wooden accents and greenery brings warmth to the space, making it feel both stylish and comfortable. Conclusion. As we've explored these luxurious American kitchen styles, it's clear that each offers a unique blend of elegance and functionality. Whether you are drawn to the cozy charm of the farmhouse kitchen, the sleekness of modern design, or the warmth of Mediterranean influences, there is a perfect style for every homeowner. Remember, your kitchen is more than just a cooking space, it's a reflection of your lifestyle and personality. Thank you for joining us at Decor Pro 2. We hope this journey through luxurious kitchen styles has inspired you to create your dream cooking space. Stay tuned for more exciting decor ideas and tips. 6. The bold industrial kitchen. For those who appreciate an edgy and contemporary design, The industrial kitchen style is a bold choice that combines raw materials with modern aesthetics. Exposed brick walls, metal accents, and reclaimed wood evoke a sense of urban sophistication. A large kitchen island with a concrete countertop can serve as both a functional workspace and a gathering place for family and friends. Pendant lights with a factory-inspired design add an industrial flair while providing practical lighting for the space. The industrial kitchen is perfect for those who want a stylish yet unrefined look that embraces the beauty of imperfections. 7. The opulent French country kitchen. The French country style brings a touch of romance and elegance to the kitchen. This design typically features soft, muted colors, intricate cabinetry, and vintage-inspired decor. A large farmhouse table can serve as the centerpiece for casual meals, while ornate fixtures like chandeliers or wrought iron accents add a luxurious touch. Distressed cabinets and open shelving create a sense of warmth and nostalgia, reminiscent of a charming countryside home. A few carefully chosen decorative items, such as antique pottery or fresh herbs, can further enhance the inviting ambience. 8. The contemporary open concept kitchen. The open concept kitchen continues to trend in American homes, allowing for effortless flow between cooking and living spaces. This style promotes interaction and socializing, making it perfect for entertaining guests. Utilizing a blend of materials, such as sleek cabinetry and warm wooden accents, gives the kitchen depth and character. An oversized island can serve multiple purposes: meal prep, dining, and even a spot for homework or casual conversations. Incorporating large windows creates a bright and airy feel while connecting the inner space with the outdoors. Tips for designing your luxurious kitchen. 1. Maximize natural light. Opt for large windows or skylights to create an open and airy environment. Natural light can enhance the beauty of your kitchen and make it feel much more inviting. 2. Invest in quality materials. Whether you choose granite countertops, hardwood flooring, or high-end appliances, opting for quality materials can elevate the overall aesthetic of your kitchen and ensure its longevity. 3. Focus on functionality. A luxurious kitchen should also prioritize practicality. Consider your cooking habits and choose features such as ample storage, efficient layouts, and state-of-the-art appliances that cater to your specific needs. 4. Personalize your space. Infuse your personality into your kitchen design with items that tell your story, like unique decor pieces, artwork, or a custom backsplash. 5. Lighting matters. The right lighting can completely transform the atmosphere of your kitchen. Incorporate a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to achieve a balanced and inviting space. Final thoughts. Designing and creating a luxurious and spacious kitchen is an exciting journey that allows you to express your unique style and preferences. From the warm embrace of a farmhouse design to the sleek sophistication of a modern aesthetic, there are countless possibilities to explore. Remember that your kitchen should reflect your lifestyle while being a functional and beautiful space for gathering and cooking. Thank you for continuing this exploration with us at Decor Pro 2. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these stunning kitchen styles into your home. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with us, and stay tuned for more enriching content on home decor and design. Happy decorating! Conclusion. Thank you for joining us. As we wrap up our exploration of luxurious American kitchen styles, we want to extend our heartfelt thanks to each of you for joining us on this journey. Your enthusiasm and support inspire us to share more creative ideas and tips to elevate your home decor. We hope you found inspiration in the various kitchen designs we've discussed, whether you are considering a cozy farmhouse vibe, a sleek modern aesthetic, or a touch of Mediterranean elegance. Remember, your kitchen is more than just a cooking area, it's a reflection of your style and a gathering place for cherished moments with loved ones. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue discovering more exciting decor ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Decor Pro 2. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update and become a part of our growing community. We're excited to bring you even more tips, tricks, and inspiration in the future. Thank you once again for being a part of Decor Pro 2. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Happy decorating!